said, lift half of the children who were living in poverty, lift them out of poverty almost immediately. That expires on December 31st. So are we going to sit here and say, we're not going to pass Build Back Better? As Joe Manchin says, we ought to wait till next year. Take a look at this. Every one of those children go back into poverty the morning of January 1 if we don't pass Build Back Better. So come on.
Congressman, I wanted to ask you about the UN climate conference that ended last week in Glasgow. There were some agreements that came out of that controlling various greenhouse gases. But for those who are most activist on the issue of global warming, expressions of disappointment about what was achieved by the major countries in the world. How do you see it, and what more do you think Congress can do toward controlling greenhouse gas emissions?
Well, you know, I'm an advocate of what I call the smorgasbord effect when it comes to dealing with all of the contributors to this problem. Coal, to me, has to be offset with things like nuclear. I'm a pro-nuclear guy.